So an ABAP consultant, of course, he can work on enhancements, modifications, developments, and many other areas. Let's go and check tables that we just discussed about. Okay, what are the tables? MARA, 0. Okay, MARA. Now, this transaction basically will give us the, the insight, the details of these tables, because in SAP, of course, there are tables that work at the back end. MARA is a table. What table is it? General material data. And these are the fields that are available in this table. So we'll be working with tables, and we will be working with these fields, and we'll discuss about this in greater detail. Okay. And if we talk about VBRK, now this is related to billing document, the one that we actually saw, VF01 and VF02. Okay. Those are the billing documents. And these are the fields that were involved and included. And this is the table that collects all the header data. Okay. Okay. Now let's run a program. Let's go back. SC38 is the first program, so no need to actually really worry about. Okay. VT79, first program, and 29 September. Okay. First program, 29th of September. So now what we are actually doing, we are creating a program. Okay. And we are giving the title. And we have types of programs like executable, include, we'll study function groups as well, subroutines also. We'll study classes and types. Okay. Right now we are going to execute a program, so it will be executable. LDB is basically for integrating with HR systems, third-party local databases. Okay. And authorization groups are for users that will be authorized to use this program application. So for what module are we making this program for? Is it plant maintenance? Is it sales? Or asset account? Or any. Okay. And it will be standard Unicode. Save. Package will be local object. We'll study about package later. Okay, now let's write this program line by line. Data v result type I. Data v underscore result type I. Parameters p underscore field 1 type I. P underscore field 2 type I. V underscore result equals P underscore field 1 into P underscore field 2. Write V underscore result. Okay. And what are we doing? Basically, we actually created a data set. Okay, and that was result. Now, result is what? What is the result? This is a variable. So to make sure to make understanding clear, we add v as in variable, so we can identify it. Whether it's another consultant who will see this program or us, we can identify this this result is a variable. That's why we are defining it like that. It will be of type I, and anything in blue is a keyword by SAP. So type is mean that it carries the feature of integer. Same is the case when we are defining parameters. Parameters will take inputs. So parameter P for parameters here, and it's field 1. It will be of type integer. It will carry an integer. Okay, same is the case for field 2. And then we actually give the logic over here, and we are writing the logic that we have collected after the multiplication, and we are writing it. That's it. Check. activate. Okay, direct processing, and we'll take a parameter. Okay, 12 into 4 will be 48. 48. Okay, so that's how. Now, there are types of applications in SAP, in ABAP, that will be actually creating, like reports, interfaces, and then forms. Then we have SAP inbound interface, which basically is extracting data from a legacy software and bringing it, loading it onto the SAP database. And then we have SAP outbound, which is actually going out of SAP to the third-party software like POS systems. Okay, so there will be conversion programs that you'll write. Okay, and SAP inbound interface programs are actually executed maybe only once when you're actually in a project. Extensions are basically custom-made user modules that customer actually wants, which is not available in SAP. So ABAP consultants actually develop it, and those are called user exits because it is exiting the standard of SAP. So ABAP consultants do that. Okay. So ABAP consultant has quite diversified, a versatile role. A consultant will actually build add-ons, forms, extensions, modifications, integrations, and everything will actually go into an SAP consultant's role. Now, these will be assignments that we'll be doing at the end of our training. Okay. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it.